So this is the shadier side of our garden, and we've encouraged certain plants which are probably going to succeed better there than other parts, although some of these varieties we have here are in other parts of the garden too. So because it's shadier, we've got things like, there's lots of this growing here, which is wild garlic. It's not far off flowering, sometimes called ransoms. We've got foxgloves here, which is from last year. It's going to be flowering soon. We've got different sorts of geraniums. There's a geranium mycorrhizum over there. We've got hellebores, which have been flowering all winter, now into the late spring. We've got some more bits and pieces of foxgloves, another type of geranium. We've got persicaria here, which we called in our house is called mini milk because of the tall pink flowers that it gets in about the next month or something like that. We've actually got here a self-seeded hellebore in that area. We've got a geranium phaeum, which is, as you can see, just beginning to start to flower, and that does well in the shade. More geraniums here. This is a variegated leaf geranium, which is again another phaeum variety. We go past the aconitum, which grows very well here. Down here we've even got Aquilegias, which you would normally plant in the sunnier part of the garden, but they've self-seeded themselves here. Next to the Aquilegia is another geranium. In amongst here we've got astilbes, and then some more of the persicaria, and then some more astilbes, because not only is this part of the garden shady, it tends to be the dampest part of the garden, which is what astilbes like. And over in the distance here we have some ferns which haven't started yet to grow, but will eventually come up and give you some more shade. And this part of the garden will end up shadier as the year goes on. And finally a nice white hellebore, which started quite small and is now doing apparently very well.